Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix no time slots available at the moment in the Dasher app. So if you are using Dasher apps, but then you'll find this error on the apps, no time slots available at the moment, you can try to fix it with this solution that I'm going to tell you through this video. First, you can try to uninstall the app on the Play Store, or you can also do it directly on the home screen. You can just find the apps in here, Dasher. Okay, this one, the DoorDash or Dasher. Now we can just tap on uninstall, tap on uninstall again. And now after that, you can try to reinstall the app by clicking on this. And after that, you can just wait until the installation process is finished and open the the Dasher app again when it's finished and see if the problem is fixed. But then if the problem is still not fixed, you can try to contact the Dasher contact support. So I'm going to here find it on my browser. You can just find in here Dasher, for example, customer service. You can try by doing that keyword, and in here you can just here find this Dasher support. You can tap on that, or you can also go directly to this page, help.doordash.com, and in here you can choose what you need help with. You can earning and payments, completing a delivery, managing my account, or you cannot find it in here. You can also visit the help center. You can also chat with the Dasher app in the Dasher app, and you can also call them on this number. So you can just choose which one. For example, if you want to call them, you can just click on this, but if you want to chat them in the Dasher app, you can click on this this button, and here you need to choose if whether you are a customer or a merchant. So you can just choose which one in here, and after that you can just contact the Dasher support or customer service and convey or tell them your problem. So that's all for me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.